Nothing upsets me more. I was talking to another employer the other day, and I said, "Oh, so tell me about your handbook." And it was a really nice family-run business. Really, really smart, entrepreneurs. They, just really successful and great. But they realized they needed help on the HR side, and they were like, "Well, my grandmother helped me, smart lady, with the handbook." And I said, "Oh, how did you get the information?" I Googled it. Yeah, nothing makes me twitch more, Mike, as you know, as when I hear that, because no, don't do that, please.
Yeah.
First of all, you can't Google what you don't know to Google, right? You don't know what you don't know.
I'm not going to be anti-Google. It's great. Research gets smarter, but you hit the nail. I had a bellyache a year ago, and it took me and Google realized I was dying of cancer in about 15 minutes, right? I'm not a doctor, so I don't know the questions to ask, right? So Google's great, but you don't know the questions to ask. You don't know the sources to go to. You don't know the tricks that these websites play to rank above each other. You have to know the authoritative sources to be able to put this stuff together.
Right. And, so there's two issues with that. One is just cutting and pasting a paid sick leave and plopping it into your handbook. The other is looking at it and going, "Oh, well, I'm just going to change one or two words." Those one or two words could make that, illegal, right? And a litigation trigger for an employee. So you have to be really, really careful.